Why is there no power in your car? It might not be the battery. Let's dive into the mystery of the alternator. The alternator powers your car's electrical systems while driving, but what happens if it fails? Your car battery drains fast and you might end up stranded. So, how do you know if yours is going bad? Look for dim headlights, strange noises, or a battery warning light. Can you drive with a bad alternator? Not for long. You risk losing power completely. Keep your alternator in check to keep your car running smoothly. Like and subscribe for more car tips. Don't let your car down. Check your alternator today. Now you know.